In this PowerPoint presentation, I'll introduce myself. My name is Vincent Ntengo, and I'm doing Applied Healthy this spring semester. And on the next slide, I'll also talk about my personal and academic background. I was born in the family of 8, and I'm fourth-born. I joined the church in 2012 after my brother introduced me to the gospel, and by then I wasn't going to the church. I served a full-time mission in Zimbabwe. I'm single and currently I'm serving in the branch presidency. I come from Malawi and I've studied electrical and electronics engineering before switching to public health, where I learned a lot about health promotion and modules, as well as about program planning and evaluation. My hobbies are swimming, hiking, bodybuilding, studying, and teaching with kids, and I'm interested in animals and helping others to come out of their trials and sharing the gospel with them. My favorite scripture is from 2 Corinthians 4, verses 8 to 9. With it, we are troubled on every side, yet not distressed. We are perplexed, but not in despair. Persecuted, but not forsaken. Cast down, but not destroyed. My experience in public health is that I have learned to understand the needs of the target population that I work with before I come up with the necessary intervention to help them change their behavior. I've also learned to love and serve the people without judging them, just like how Jesus Christ did and see them. My career goal is to become an epidemiologist and serve the people. I'm also planning on creating a center where I'll be helping different people with mental challenge problems. I'm hoping to learn a skill and knowledge that will add up to what I already possess now, so that I can better help and serve others. Thank you for your attention and for watching this presentation.